Hey up guys, it's a Wolf. Got something a bit different for you this time. I'm attending an event held by 6th Media. I'm going to cut to talking now and move to put some music up for you.
In the belly of the beast, we got a friend. With faith and prayer, we can rise. In the belly of the beast, we gotta try. With faith and prayer, we can rise. Your time, it's a bad time. Strive, we're gonna ride. In the belly of the beast, we're gonna thrive. With faith and prayer, we can rise.
Yo bro, life gotten so cold, got me in a chokehold, mind acting loco, nights moving fast, but my eyes showing slow-mo. Emotions got me up and down like yo bro, heart grown, so cold, keep my faith so close, so I can live in harmony as I grow old. Keep my loyalty intact, that's the bro code. Never played the other side like an own goal, but now I'm wrestling the dunya like stone cold. Where people's them mind state is YOLO. In the belly of the beast, on my solo. Devil's closing in, he's only a stone's throw, but he will never capture me like photo. But sins make my back hunch Quasimodo. Fakes hide behind masks, call them Zorro, but we survive and be fly, not like Dodo.
Time, it's a bad time. Strive, we're gonna ride. In the belly of the beast, we're gonna thrive. With faith and prayer, we can rise.
Yo, sinning, that's what the dunya brings in. We got a hope, we're forgiven. Got that contagious thinking. Brought my Don Ricks from the dunya to a state of submission. Daydreaming of a courageous vision, where there's peace and harmony is what we live in. Back to reality, brothers are stuck in their own mission. They're trying to catch that gold mine in the distance. When death comes, that gold mine ain't going with them. We did wrong for the higher position. In our eyes we're winning, in reality we're sinning. We should have gone to the finest opticians. Listen, got hooked like it's fishing. Trapped in the bad sins that we're committing. Gotta fight the repetition. It's just a battle of the soul, when the shaitan whispering.
Belly of the beast, we gotta thrive. With faith and prayer, we can rise. In the belly of the beast, we gotta try. With faith and prayer, we can rise. Your time, it's a bad time. Strive, we're gonna ride. In the belly of the beast, we're gonna thrive. With faith and prayer, we can rise. In the belly of the beast, we gotta thrive. With faith and prayer, we can rise. In the belly of the beast, we gotta try. With faith and prayer, we can rise. Your time, it's a bad time. Strive, we're gonna ride. In the belly of the beast, we're gonna thrive. With faith and prayer, we can rise.
Fly door, no nights off.
Oh no, what have I done? Thought I was in love and I thought you were the one. Oh no, take a look at me, standing over here on my own 2 feet. Oh no, look at you, now you're all alone and you're feeling blue. Cause when the truth comes out and the rain comes in, tell me what you're gonna do. I know what you're
We've now left Marshall's yard. It had major problems with the Mondeo. Ended up spitting all its fluids all over the floor, so we've lost the oil and we've lost the water. I think it's down to the water pump and the oil filter not sealing, which will be sorted in a few days. I nearly forgot to outro this video. So guys, like, comment and subscribe. If you would like to see more content like this, we have got more content coming throughout the winter. I've got Saskia has now been put away for the winter. Just going to need to finish the JSXR for winter riding. So guys, peace out.